On the other hand, Mpcc President Meghachandra has slammed the double-engine government of BJP and called it an anti-people government. In a video message, Meghachandra accused BJP of employing third-degree method of torture by assaulting and threatening the people. Criticizing the multiple instances of violence during the first phase of elections, he asserted that India is the only country where such violence is rampant during elections. Meghachandra has alleged that booths were captured and elections were rigged. He maintained that the party had demanded for repoll at 47 Manipur polling stations. However, the Election Commission of India (ECI) had ordered for repoll at 11 polling stations only. Meghachandra vows to continue pressing for repolls in the remaining stations. He condemned the BJP government for violating model code of conduct by intimidating and assaulting voters. Appealing to the people to exercise their voting rights, he said, the people can either vote for Congress, who supports free and fair election, or the BJP or its alliance NPF, who promoted violence.
Handaki parliament election se Manipur se yamna sathiba mawong amada train amada satkre vote hadabam da AK paiba adagi agent che phuba chaiba yum sangdana threat tawba kihanba nupi phugalakpa angang jing thi dana phuba ahan jing da noi kapsanba sahi hundra mar phu suba masigi train jaidi India amadi prithvi atai da leramoi Manipur da handak BJP lengak sina tawribse masi yamna multiple violence mayamse masibu akhoi model code of conduct sibu arthaga leiribra BJP gi lengak asida aduna aikoina inner gi amadi outer gi part khara phase 1 da pangthoki election sida thoki base repoll tawnabase nifu taret masina inner da aduga outer da tranga atai di pak sana rigging tawre masigi repoll tarama thoi khaktang thok base pen de ekoina complaint tawri ba khudimak repoll tawningi amasung madu election commission da su thagre CEO da su thagre returning officer su thagre thabo na packet te election commission chi su BJP gi government gi so pairaga leigre aduna karimta asi packet polite EVM kai bu khaktani repoll tawri si aduna masi pen de